Jumeirah Olhahali. Jumeirah Olhahali Island is a 5-star luxury resort located in North Malay Atoll, Maldives. The resort offers an exclusive stay experience with private villas designed in a modern Mediterranean style. Jumeirah Olhahali Island is a 55-minute speedboat ride or 15-minute seaplane ride from Malay International Airport. Accommodation: the resort features 67 spacious villas consisting of overwater and beachfront villas. Each villa is equipped with a private pool, rooftop terrace, separate living area, and indoor and outdoor bathrooms. Other facilities include 24-hour butler service and stunning ocean views. Culinary: Jumeirah Olhahali Island offers a variety of culinary options, including Glow. The main restaurant serves international cuisine. Kato serves Nikkei, Peruvian-Japanese fusion cuisine. Shimmers, Mediterranean-style restaurant on the beach. As activities and amenities, guests can enjoy a variety of activities, such as snorkeling, diving, yoga, and underwater photography. The resort also features Tali Spa, with Ayurvedic treatments, an overwater fitness center, tennis courts, and a kids club. Guest reviews: the resort has received positive reviews from guests, with guests praising the personalized service, quality of the villas, and the exceptional culinary experience. For more information or reservations, you can visit their official website.